Hello everyone, my name is Anubhav Singh Tomar. Today I am here to give project presentation on the topic Event Management System under guidance of Ms. Sonam Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering, BBDEC, Lucknow. Table of content are introduction, problem definition, project objective, existing system, proposed methodology, software requirement, hardware requirement, module description, architecture, screenshot, conclusion and references. Introduction. Event Management System is an online software project that serves functionality of an event manager. This system allows user to log in and new user to register on the application. This system helps in the management of events like birthday party, dance show party, college fest, marriage party, etc. All the data is logged into database and the user is given a receipt number for his booking. The data is sent to admin. Problem definition. It is very demanding and stressful job which requires to be on toes 24/7. The deadlines or targets are too specific and difficult to catch up on with. The work schedule is not fixed in such job profiles, requires you to flexible in terms of timings. Project objective to provide most of the basic functionality required for an event. Existing system, there is a lot of paperwork which is time consuming and uneconomical in work, as most of the works include manual processing. The records are difficult to store in manual system. When making arrangement for an occasion, you regularly invest in gathering with associates and customers. In this event management system, everything is web based. This will immediately reduce the manual processing. There are various functions and modules in the system perform various features. The expert system can work on occasion in the board firms or open private consultancy firms. Methodology based on the prototype model of software development lifecycle. A prototype is a toy implementation of the system. Software requirements are PyCharm ID, Django, MySQL client, WAMP server, operating system user. Windows 7 technology and language used to develop Python 3.6.2, debugger and emulator any browser, particularly Chrome. Hardware requirements are processor Pentium 4 or high, RAM 256 MB, space on the hard disk minimum 512 MB. Module description are admin login, registration, check availability, customer message. Admin can view, update, delete and customer and vendors record. Registration, user and vendor register himself. Check availability module, user can check available of hall and then book the hall for their event. Customer module, user can do own registration, login, search event, delete own profile, select date and time of event. Architecture, user can log in into system, view event and event details, give feedback. Admin can log in management login, upload event detail, view customer details, view feedback. Screenshots, home page, my details, hall and venue details, view feedback, booking form, customer message, management login page, customer details, hall venue details, customer message detail, view feedback, customer booking detail. Conclusion. Event management system is the Python project made to attempt effectively introduce the concept of event management system already existing in the society. This project can further refine and extend it by introducing new and more innovative features. We also give brief overview about technology used during the development of our proposed system. These are the references. Thank you.